To check how much your iPhone apps are using data, we'll first go to Settings, and from there, navigate to Cellular. Then scroll down until you see a section called Cellular Data. There, you'll see your total data use and some of the top data consumers on the top. If you tap Show All towards the bottom, you'll see a full list of your apps and the amount of mobile data that each app has consumed, as well as a toggle that allows you to enable or disable mobile data for particular apps. One important thing to note is that unlike Android, which usually shows you data usage for your specific monthly billing cycle, iPhone tracks a current period that is cumulative. This sometimes confuses users because if you haven't reset your statistics in 6 months, that number of data spent next to each app actually is the total for the last half year, not this month. Also, strangely, Apple does not show you how much Wi-Fi data individual apps use. It only tracks cellular data. If you need to see which app is hogging your home internet, you usually have to download a third-party tool like My Data Manager or Dataflow. If you go back to the previous page and scroll to the very bottom, you'll see a last reset date. That's when your current data consumption tracking started. If you want to reset your numbers, just use the reset button and the tracking will start from scratch. And that's how you see data consumption on iPhone per app. Click that like button if this helped you and subscribe for more quick and easy iPhone guides like this.